Dear students, today I am going to teach you sentence. First of all, I am going to define what is sentence. A combination of words that makes complete sense is called sentence. Now, classification of sentences. Sentences have been classified into three parts. Number one is simple sentence. Number two is compound sentence. And number three is complex sentence. The first one is simple sentence. Sorry, इसको आप लिखना. Yes, the first one is simple sentence. It contains only one subject and a finite verb. It does not contain any conjunction. Example, he plays cricket. Here he stands for subject, plays singular form of verb, and cricket is an object. Second example is he goes to school. Here he stands for subject, goes singular form of verb, and school is complement here. So definitely a simple sentence contains subject, verb and object, and subject, verb plus object and subject, verb and complement. So this is the formation of simple sentence. It contains subject, verb, object and subject, verb, complement. The second one is compound sentence. Compound sentence. It is defined as it contains more than one subject and is joined by a coordinating conjunction. Example, Ram and Shyam are playing in the field. Here, and is coordinating conjunction. Second one is Ram is rich, but Shyam is poor. Here, but is coordinating conjunction, which is used to join two simple sentences. Ram is rich, this is simple sentence number one, and Shyam is poor, this is simple sentence number two. So the function of the compound sentence is in the form of composition of compound one by the use of coordinating conjunction, but where Ram is rich, simple sentence number one, Shyam is poor, simple sentence number two, and both the simple sentences have been joined by the coordinating conjunction, but in this way coordinating conjunctions are and, but, either or, neither nor. In this way we can form compound sentences just after using coordinating conjunctions. And when we use coordinating conjunction in the given sentence, the sentence such formed is known as compound sentence. Clear? Yes. Now third one is complex sentence. It contains two clauses, namely principal clause and subordinate clause, and is joined by subordinating conjunction. For example, if I write, I don't know where he lives. Here, I don't know stands for principal clause, where he lives stands for subordinate clause, and where is defined as subordinating conjunction, as its function is to join two clauses, namely principal clause and subordinate clause. Now for example, who, what, when, where, how, etc. are known as subordinating conjunctions. Just after using them, we can frame complex sentences in different phases, and such sentences which will be formed by using some alternating conjunctions will be defined as complex sentence. Thank you very much.